This is a story of a guy named Julian who was a very successful lawyer. He was very famous, rich, and वो उन्हीं लोगों के केसेस डिफेंड करता था जो कि बहुत वेल्दी थे. He had a big mansion, एक प्राइवेट जेट और ऑफ कोर्स एक फरारी भी थी. बट इन सभी चीजों के बावजूद भी वो अपनी लाइफ से सेटिस्फाइड नहीं था. He wanted more fame, more money, which led him to a point where he was working almost 18 hours a day. As a result, he got divorced, he barely interacted with his family, और 53 years का होने के बाद भी वो 80 years का ओल्ड मैन लगता था. So, एक रेगुलर कोर्टरूम सेशन के दौरान उसे अपने चेस्ट के साइड में पेन महसूस होने लगा और सडनली फेंट हो गया और उसे जल्दी जल्दी हॉस्पिटल पहुंचाया गया जहां डॉक्टर ने डिक्लेयर किया कि he got a heart attack. When Julian came back to his senses, doctor advised him not to go so hard on himself as he was really not in a position to sustain all that pressure. They asked Julian to quit his job and to live peacefully with what he had earned. जो कि जूलियन को एक बहुत शॉक की तरह आया. उसने सोचा कि वो पूरी जिंदगी केस जीतता आया है सबके, बट जब उनकी खुद की जिंदगी का केस आया तो वो उसमें हार गया और he looked like a loser. He took a few days to digest this fact and slowly he started to realize all his mistakes. So one fine morning, उसने एक बहुत bold step लिया. It's selling all the materialistic things जो कि उसके पास थी. He sold his mansion, his private jet, and he even sold his Ferrari. Once he was done selling the things, he set out on a journey to find the true meaning of life. Was towards the mysterious land of India, across the great Himalayan region, जहाँ की monk रहते थे. ये monk ordinary नहीं थे. They were among the people with the highest level of wisdom, and they were capable of liberating the potentials of anyone's soul, body, and mind. अपने sources से सुना था कि वो monks happily रहते हैं 100 साल से भी ज़्यादा और एक young man की energy के साथ. It took him days to find out a monk who, upon listening to Julian's story, agreed to take him to the secret village. Julian started living with those monks in their village. Julian की डेडिकेशन देख के मॉन्क लीडर ने डिसाइड किया कि जूलियन को वो इस एक ही कंडीशन पे प्रिंसिपल सिखाएगा अगर वो अपनी नॉलेज खुद तक नहीं बल्कि वो पूरी आउटर वर्ल्ड तक स्प्रेड करेगा. So the monk started narrating a story. Imagine you are sitting in a beautiful garden जो कि बहुत तरह के different trees, flowers, and you can see many birds chirping around you. The flower in the garden smells really nice and you are having a good time there. You notice that there is a lighthouse in the middle of the garden and suddenly the door opens as you see a sumo wrestler coming out of the lighthouse. It's really weird to look at the sumo wrestler क्योंकि उसने सिर्फ अंडरवियर पहन रखा था जो कि एक थिन वायर से बना हुआ था. He wanders around and he finds a golden stopwatch lying in a garden. जैसे ही उसने उसको उठाने की कोशिश की उसका पैर स्लिप हो गया और ग्राउंड पे गिर गया मोशनलेस. और थोड़े टाइम बाद वो जब अपनी सेंसेस में वापस आया, probably because of a nice fragrance of the rose in the garden, he looks toward his left. On his left was a path paved out of small diamonds जो कि sumo wrestler को उसकी लाइफ की हैप्पीनेस तक ले जाते हैं. वो उस पाथ पर वॉक करने लगता है और अचानक से ही वो गायब हो जाता है. Julian asked monk if this was some kind of joke as this story made no sense at all. फिर monk ने बताया कि ये स्टोरी ऑर्डिनरी नहीं थी. इस स्टोरी के पीछे लाइफ के 7 बिगेस्ट प्रिंसिपल हैं. एंड फिर मॉन्क ने उस स्टोरी को एक्सप्लेन करना स्टार्ट किया और उसका हिडन मीनिंग के बारे में बताया. द फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल इज रिलेटेड टू द गार्डन विच सिंबलाइजेस आवर ब्रेन. आप गार्डन में अच्छे सीड्स को प्लांट करोगे तो आपको उसमें बहुत अच्छे ट्रीज देखने को मिलेंगे, बहुत अच्छे फ्लावर्स और एक नाइस स्मूथ ग्रास. बट आप अगर वहीं गार्बेज को डंप करते हो और आप पानी देना भी बंद कर देते हो तो वो प्लेस एक डंप बन जाएगा. सिमिलरली, इफ यू फ्लड योर ब्रेन विद पॉजिटिव थॉट्स लाइक काइंडनेस, लव, एम्पैथी, and if you keep motivating yourself, your brain will develop into this beautiful garden bearing good thoughts. This will help you to achieve great things in life with inner peace. But अगर आप वही नेगेटिव सोचो और उसे एक प्रॉपर एक्सरसाइज ना करवाओ तो वह गार्बेज डंप बन जाएगा जो कि पॉइजन छोड़ेगा. It is rightly said, an empty mind is devil's workshop. The second principle is related to the lighthouse, which symbolizes your goals in your life. A lighthouse shows the right direction to the ships sailing in the ocean. Similarly, we should always choose the right path in our life. You can only reach a destination if at all you know your destination. Choose the right target and start working on it. You might have to face some difficulties while moving towards your goal. But if you consistently moving in the right direction, sooner or later you're going to reach your destination. Third principle is related to the sumo wrestler, which symbolizes Kaizen. Kaizen एक Japanese word है जिसका मीनिंग होता है continuous learning and improvement. सुमो रेसलर को बहुत ही स्पेसिफिक होना पड़ता है अपने डाइट और डिसिप्लिन को लेकर to achieve his huge physique. Similarly, we need to always keep learning. It is similar to developing the habit of reading books because books are the best mentor. Not only you learn things from books, but you always keep improving the small things that you do in your life. Moreover, books are a consolidation of everything that the author have learned in their entire lifetime. You can have all that knowledge in just few hours. So, take part in every activity which you think can help you improve in your life. Fourth principle is related to the underwear जो कि sumo wrestler ने पहन रखी है जो कि वायर से बनी हुई है which symbolizes self-control and discipline. It might be a small thing but without that underwear the wrestler will be naked and that really won't be a pleasing sight. Now if you see cable wire from inside you might be aware of the fact that it is usually made up of many thin wires which together forms a cable. These thin wires might be weak alone but when put together are even stronger than an iron rod. Similarly, हमारा self control and discipline बहुत छोटी छोटी चीज़ों से बना होता है हमारी लाइफ में. But be it waking up early or eating healthy, we ensure that small things don't really matter. But in reality, these are the only things that matter. तुम्हें impact बहुत जल्दी नहीं मिलेगा, but long run में these things can make a big changes in your life, and they will define who you as an individual are. Fifth principle is related to the golden watch, which symbolizes time. No matter how rich or poor you are, तुम्हारे पास सिर्फ 24 घंटे एक लाइफ में, ना कि 1 सेकंड कम ना 1 सेकंड ज़्यादा. बट उन 24 घंटे को हम कैसे यूटिलाइज करते हैं जिससे हम हैप्पी, सैड, रिच और पुअर क्या बनते हैं. Most of us has the habit of procrastination, which is nothing but a waste of time. By the time you are done with building castles in the air, someone else just signed a hugely profitable deal. By the time तुम मॉर्निंग में वेकअप कर रहे हो, someone has already finished the gym, feeling fresh, fit and happy. उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि हमें सारा वक्त काम ही करते रहना चाहिए. इसका मतलब ये है कि हमें थोड़ा इंजॉय और फन एक्टिविटीज हमें हर दिन करनी चाहिए. एंड what's really important is to manage everything in those 24 hours. Every successful people knows how to manage time. So they manage to do every single activity in the same 24 hours that each one has got. The sixth principle is related to the fragrant rose. There is one really famous saying in China, which means that there is always a little fragrance remaining in the hand of those who give flowers to the others. So here, this flower and its fragrance symbolizes social cause. It doesn't matter आप क्या अर्न कर रहे हो और कौन सी हाइट पे हो. The satisfaction of helping people is priceless. No wonder why some really rich people in today's world do charity work, investing their hard-earned money in developing some rural village and many more things. सो अगर आपको उस प्राइजेस फीलिंग ऑफ हैप्पीनेस एंड सेटिस्फैक्शन को फील करना है तो दूसरों की बिना कोई सोचे समझे मदद करें एंड यू विल बी द हैप्पी मोस्ट ऑफ योर टाइम. Seventh principle is related to the path of diamonds, which represent the small moment of happiness that comes in the way of our life. वो moment हमेशा present में ही होते हैं. हमारा human brain is designed in such a way that we tend to get disturbed thinking of our past and worrying about the future. You never really enjoy the small moments that we have in the present. It can literally be anything. Playing with your kids in a nearby park, or maybe spending some quality time with your partner. These moments are supposed to be live in the present, and these are the real diamonds in our life. If only you understand this now, you are really going to be good at relationships and a real happy, contented person. These were the 7 lessons जो कि मॉन्क ने जूलियन को बताए जिससे उसकी लाइफ कंप्लीटली चेंज होगी. एज प्रॉमिस्ड जूलियन ने उस नॉलेज को पूरी दुनिया के साथ शेयर करा एंड दैट इज व्हाट वी ऑल शुड डू टू हेल्प आवर लव्ड वंस एंड गेट ऑल द हैप्पीनेस इन लाइफ. सो दिस इज द समरी एंड इफ यू रियली केयर अबाउट द लव्ड वंस प्लीज शेयर इट विद देम टू चेंज देयर लाइफ एंड एज वेल एज योर्स and spread happiness with everyone you meet. And if you like the video, please hit the thumbs up and share it with everyone and subscribe a YouTube channel, The Wisdom Show. Thank you and have a beautiful day.